Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sekinah Suba, and if this is your first time on this channel, you are most definitely welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do your at-home spa, that is how to do your own facial at home. So I'm starting this video with a fresh face. I just washed my face with my black soap. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be using some hot water to steam my face. So to do that, you just need a bowl and some steaming hot water. I'm just going to pour this into the bowl, and then you can go ahead and add an essential oil of your choice. You can use tea tree oil, lavender essential oil, peppermint oil, and whichever oil you want. Now I'm just going to use a thick towel, and I'm just going to cover myself up while I allow the steam to penetrate my skin. Steaming open up your pores and help loosen any buildup of dirt, thereby allowing for deeper cleanse. It also helps for blood circulation and also soften blackheads. So I usually do this for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your tolerance. You can actually go ahead and take a break, like lift the towel up if it is too hot, take about 30 seconds, 1 minute break, then you go back and cover yourself up again. This steaming process is very important, and you steam your face after washing your face. You do it after washing your face. I'm just taking a break, then I'm gonna go ahead and cover up again, and I decided to change the angle of my camera because I feel like it was too close. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover my face for about another 5 minutes. I did it 5 minutes, then I removed it for about 1 minute, and I'm going again for another 5 minutes, making it 10 minutes in total. So after steaming, I look so weird. I'm just gonna go ahead and allow it dry, or if you're in a hurry, you can go ahead and use tissue paper to dab your skin dry. So as you can see, I'm just using tissue paper to dab my skin. I'm just gonna do this, like I'm not gonna dab my skin till it is like extremely dry, just a little dab here and there. Then we're gonna move on to the next step. So what I do now is I use raw honey, and I use this to massage my skin fresh, like after the steaming. I just take a little bit like so, then I use my fingertips to massage the honey all over my skin. And you can see I'm going in slow gentle circular motion, just like massaging this honey to my skin. Like if you don't know the benefits of honey by now and you're my subscriber, like why are you darling? Honey is an humectant, and it helps the skin to absorb and retain moisture, thereby preventing it from drying out. Also, honey contains antioxidants, which helps to repair the skin and prevent it from skin damage. So I'm just gonna do this for about 1 to 2 minutes. I just massage it onto my skin for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then we move on to the next step. So I usually leave the honey on my skin for about, after massaging it to my skin for about 1 or 2 minutes, I leave it on my skin for like 5 minutes to just do a thing. You know what I'm saying? Then the next thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be masking the skin. So the mask I'm going to be using is this mask that I already mixed. It contains turmeric, lactic acid, and calcium bentonite clay. I'm going to be putting the measurement of this mask on the screen right now. So yeah, that is it. I'm just going to be mixing this mask. I just took a little bit of the mask into my mixing bowl, then a bit of water, and then we're just going to mix that together to form a paste, and then we apply it all over our skin. Basically all over the face, because this is a facial. So I use the spoon to apply it first, then I go ahead and use my fingertips to massage it into the skin. And if you're asking if I washed the honey out, no, I did not wash the honey out. I just let the honey dry on my skin, then I go ahead and use my mask. Then I'm just gonna leave it for a bit to dry, and that's basically it. So now I'm just going to mind my business and drink some water, because water is good for the skin. And I'm just gonna allow my mask dry out. So guys, I'm really sorry that I didn't show you guys when I wash it off. I'm so sorry that I didn't show you all that. So basically what I did after my mask dry up is I just went ahead and I washed off the mask from my face, and I took my baths, like do my normal shower from head to toe. I bathe with my black soap. Everybody know, like if you don't know at this point, if you're an old subscriber and you don't know at this point that I use black soap to bathe, like then what have you been getting from my videos? So I took my baths with my black soap, washed my face with my black soap obviously, and then when I came out, what I usually do is really simple, but it's still part of my spa process. When I come out, I usually don't use a toner in the morning. I only use it at night. But like the day that I was doing my facial, I used this toner or cleanser. It's called the lotion Peau de Lune, and I use this brown one. It comes in 3 colors: green, pink, and the brown. So I use this lotion Peau de Lune to tone my skin, to just, you know, just as a cleanser. Then after that, the next thing I did after that, sorry that I wasn't able to show you that video. I totally forgot that I was filming a video. After that, I used my this collagen and vitamin E serum. I either use this or I use my vitamin C serum. Right now I don't have my vitamin C serum here in Port Harcourt. It's in Lagos. So sometimes I use my vitamin C serum, sometimes I use my this is a collagen and vitamin E face serum. So I use this about 1 pump, and I just use it all over my face. And after that, I go ahead and I use my face cream or my moisturizer, and that is basically what I do to my skin. And that's basically what I did today as well. That's what I'm looking like. So yeah, that is it basically. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below. And if you haven't hit the bell button and you're an old subscriber, please hit the bell button so you get notified every single time I upload the video. Till next time, bye. I love you guys.